Hey you guys, welcome back. I figured because it is Vlogmas, why not trickle in some bonus vlogs for you guys. Now, for those of you guys that know, Bath & Body Works recently did their candle day, which was like $9 for the 3 wicks, and I decided that I did not want to go to the mall because I did that last year and it was crazy. It was stressful trying to walk around the stores and smelling fragrances that you've never had before. It's good if you know what you want and what you like, so you don't have to sit there and smell everything with a huge crowd of people and then the line. So I was like, no, we're going to shop online this year, and I just got my order in and it smelled so good in the locker room. I am so excited, you guys. I have no candles, none. So I'm gonna show you guys the candles that I had picked out. Now, the only thing that kind of sucked about doing this online was I wasn't really able to use, I think it was like an additional 20% off coupon, which would have been amazing, but you know, it spared me the stress of going into the actual stores. So let's see what we've got, and let's hope that everything is still in perfect condition. The last time I ordered candles online, a bunch of them were just shattered everywhere, but it seems like they got their packaging under control since then. They actually packed them in crates, which is fantastic. So the first candle that I got is my favorite, you guys. This is my signature fragrance in my apartment. It is the Fireside Candle. If you're looking for something on the smokier side that's not overwhelming and sweet like Marshmallow Fireside, and you want more of like a masculine woody touch, me describing a candle for 5 minutes, this is gonna be the best bet for you guys. And this, honestly, I would buy 20,000 of them if I could. It's a smoked cedar, clove bud, warm ember, and essential oils. I also love the packaging of it, being this beautiful espresso. Oh, sorry, honey. Of course, I got another Fireside candle and another Fireside candle. And are we surprised that I got another Fireside candle, you guys? Like, I was not playing any games. I got 4 of these bad boys. I think I have 1 more that I'm currently burning. But the thing about me, like, I work from home and I like my space to have a vibe to it, a coziness, a fresh fragrance. So I burn candles all day, every day. So this is like 2 days for me, and I know that's so bad. It's an expensive habit to have, but it's one I can't really give up. It's just something about having a candle lit is amazing. So of course, because Christmas time, we have the faux tree. It's not going to give off that authentic smell like a fresh cut tree would. So I got my fresh balsam candle. Am I saying that right? Balsam. Is it balsam or balsam? Balsam. Oh my god, someone help me out in the comments down below. I think this is like the only Christmassy scent. I did appreciate that they had a lot of the spring fragrances available online too. That way, if you want to stock up for those scents, since winter is nearly over, you could do that with the coupon. I definitely wanted to get some fresh fragrances as well, and I really loved this packaging. I think this is going to be a bathroom candle for me. I'm the type of person that likes, you know, the ambiance and the vibe of a night routine, so I like to turn off all the lights, get a nice hot steamy shower with some essential oils, and then take my shower by candlelight. Try it out, you guys. It's so relaxing. So for that vibe, ooh, this one's gonna be perfect. I wanted more of like a spa scent. Lily, are you okay? I wanted more of like a spa fragrance. So of course, as you can imagine, this one's fresh eucalyptus, sweet spearmint, lemon peel, and then some sage as well. So I'm really excited. The labels on this is like plastic, so I'm hoping it's not going to be a fire hazard, but it's cute packaging, you guys. And the next one I got, oh my god, I have not had this candle in so freaking long. If you know, you know I used to rave about this scent. It's called Black Tie, and it's a very masculine sort of like cologne scent. I really like it. It's very strong. So with my small studio, this is going to definitely scent it up very quickly. And for those of you guys that have never had this one before, it is a mix of green sage, sandalwood, and tonka bean, which I don't know what that is, but I really like the packaging of this and this textured lid. I really should be a candle reviewer. Oh my god, me in my past life. Okay, I just really wanted a masculine scent. Let me know if you guys are a fan of the mahogany teak wood. That is one candle I've yet to try. A lot of people say it smells like Abercrombie or Hollister, but I don't really know how I feel about it. Maybe I can get a smaller size. I feel like it's a little too strong, but I do like those masculine scents. So one of my favorites that is permanent, part of like the permanent collection for basically all year round, but I wanted to kind of get some scents that I could carry into springtime as well. I didn't want to get a bunch of like Christmassy stuff when the season is nearly over. So Cactus Blossom. Oh my god, this right here. First of all, the packaging of this is everything, and it's a very fresh fragrance, and I'm not the biggest floral fan. I think it's because I have allergies and I literally feel like I'm sniffly when I burn like very lilac scents in my home, so I don't really do those. But this one is amazing, you guys. It's cactus flower petal, sun-kissed coconut, vanilla, and a sparkling lemon with essential oils. So I think the vanilla and everything else just calms down the floral scent, but this is everything. I love it for the bathroom, the kitchen, right after you clean your space. It's fantastic. And then I got the winter candle. I haven't had this one since last year, and again with this textured lid. It's very white and gold, looks really cute with the tree. I thought this would be fun to burn during Vlogmas. And this one has a blend of white woods, pine needles, sparkling clementine, ooh, and spiced clove with essential oils. Ooh, this one smells like a Christmas tree farm to me. I really love this, you guys. And one thing I do with like these cute lids, I'll save the fun ones that I like and replace the basic boring lids with them when I burn out. Does that make sense? I don't know, I'm so weird like that. Like, I literally am a candle hoarder and I take my candles very seriously. And then the last candle that I got during the candle sale, which I really liked the color of this wax, very neutral and just very festive for the winter season, is Sweater Weather. So I switched up the blue wax on us. This again is another favorite of mine. Oh, I think it's like the spearmint. Does it have spearmint? Fresh sage, juniper berry, eucalyptus, fresh woods, and essential oils. Okay, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the fresh woods. It's just so good, and I just can't have a fall or a winter without that. So those are all the candles that I bought on Candle Day. I thought it was a great deal. I do remember last year, what, they were like $8.75 maybe. So maybe next year it's gonna be like $10. I don't know, man. These candles, they hyped up and they just keep getting more expensive as the year goes on. But I'm gonna get a thumbnail really quickly, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this bonus video this month. I didn't want to do like a day in the life video, but I wanted to do like a festive candle haul because we love our candles. Shout out in the comments down below, or shout out to all the dolls that love the candle life just as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching this bonus video today. I just wanted to do something more festive, and I haven't really been seeing people share their candle day hauls except for winter from Bad Girls Club, because I watch all those girls on youtube.com. But I will see you guys tomorrow with Vlogmas. If you have not seen Vlogmas today, go watch it after this video. And if you missed it in your sub box, it's probably because you didn't turn on your post notification bell. So be sure to do that down below, and let me know in the comment section, what did you buy during candle sale? Did you skip out on it? Are you not into it? I just need to know. I need people to be on my level so we can relate on our favorite fragrances, and also so I can try them out the next time that I do some shopping. So I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye! I like to fight a little dirty,